Hello, I'm back again with another video. This is going to be a very short video. As you know, OpenIV servers are down, unreachable by many users, and now many are struggling to install mods in the game without it. No worries, in this video I'll show you a way on how to install OpenIV. Let's start. At first go to this website and scroll down. Here you will see few OIV setups. I'll suggest download the offline setup. I'll show you what happens if you try the other one. After downloading, you will have the OIV setup. Open it, select language. As you can see, the installation got cancelled. So always install OpenIV with the offline installer until the OpenIV website is up and running again. If you want to know how to use the OpenIV, then you can watch this video to understand how it works.